Yeah, good day everyone. Go by the name Skywet. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I am making hundreds of dollars daily from home. Yes, as a beginner also you can make these good results that you can see on the screen. Yes, and I'll be taking you on ClickBank affiliate marketing. Yes, as you all know that affiliate marketing is selling products for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. And the more product you sell, the higher your commission, and the more the product also, the greater your commission also. And there are many things that you need to know or you need to put in place for you to become a successful affiliate marketer. Yeah, one of it is that you need a strong traffic system. Traffic, I mean people that are going to be accessing your affiliate page and are going to be clicking and buying your product. Yes, because they are the one that are going to be generating revenue and commission for you. Yes, in this video, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and has started earning already. Yes, in this video I'm going to be explaining to you the secrets behind this result you can see on the screen. Yes, with my software you are going to be having access to more than 2,000 organic traffics daily that are going to be accessing your affiliate link or product. Yes, they are targeted traffic because in my video course I'm going to show you step by step on how to choose targeted traffic for a particular product. For instance, if you are going for products under health or drugs or any kind of product, there is a way by which you can get targeted traffic, people that are looking for what you are selling for that particular product. So that is how you can get targeted traffic that are going to generate revenue and commission for you. Yes, also my video course contains step by step method on how to use the software to generate commission on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, because my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone, it is also applicable to other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Shopify, any affiliate marketing platform. My software is applicable to any affiliate marketing platform because it is similar method in promoting your product to targeted traffic for you to get commission. Also, if you are getting my software and video course, there are countries that have restriction on opening ClickBank account. I'm going to be opening ClickBank account for you. Yes, not minding your location, and I can teach you also in my video course. I will show you step by step, but also I will open it for you if you are ready to start this course. So my software is easy to use and my video course will guide you step by step on how to use it. And also if you are getting my software and video course, I'm going to be guiding you. Apart from my software guiding you, yes, my software, my video course is self-explanatory and it will take you step by step. But if you also need me to guide you, I'm always accessible. So to get my software and video course, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywet271@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywet271@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get started for making money online from home. Yes, to get this beautiful results, you don't need to stress yourself. You can make money while you sleep. Yes, because that's the code now. If you want to work throughout your lifetime to make money is good, but making money while you sleep is the best way to get money because in my software is a smart way of getting money. Yes, so contact me on my Gmail at skywet271@gmail.com or text on Telegram through number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skywet and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.